Next, I got to take out this drain area. So we've got a brand new one here, and these are all the parts that come with it. And this is what we use for the, so you can open and close this thing here, which is, I guess, the plunger. So I got to take that out of there. I'm going to need a pair of channel locks, which I happen to have, and to loosen this. So let's see which way we go. Do we go this way? Looks like I'm going to need 2 pairs of channel locks. There's one pair, and then I got to open this up a little bit. There's the other, so I'm going to grab that, and I'm going to loosen that. See if I can turn it with my hand. Yeah, there we go. And I put a thing under here so that I'm going to undo this. See if I can get this off here. Get that thing off of there. See if it'll unscrew. I think that's the only way we can do it. Oh, there, we got it. I'm going to have to take the trap off. I'm going to loosen it here, pull this out, flathead. So I'm going to come over here, just loosen this up. I got a little bucket here, so if we get any spillage, all right, we got that off. So let's take a look at this nasty mess we got here. Just want to make sure, it smells horrible. Bam, done. Now we got to clean that mess up. Okay, anyway, put a plastic bag over this baby here. I'm just going to pull her out. It's kind of messy, but I'm going to clean it up a little bit. It's gross as fuck. All right, so the directions say first put the sealant on, stick it in there, and then take this and screw it in from underneath. So this is 100% silicone, so we're going to try that. You're not supposed to get this on your fingers, but I want to get enough on there. All right, that should do it. We've got our silicone on here. I'm trying to smush it like this with my finger, which you're not supposed to do. Okay. Now you're supposed to stick that down in there. Maybe just a little bead. Just going to smush it around a little bit. So now we're going to pick this baby up and set it right in there. I'm going to screw this into that. And then you got to make sure that this is in the back and lock it in there. But this has to be towards the back, because remember, your plunger thing is in the back. I'm going to push on this side. So I'm going righty-tighty. So now this, I got to hold this here, and this is going to go up. Got a big rubber washer on it, and that's what's going to keep the water from squirting out, hopefully. So I'm going to have to get some channel locks too to tighten it a little bit tighter. But that is basically your setup. I'm going to grab it like this, turn her. But I want to keep this nice and stiff. But this has got to be tight so it doesn't leak. You want to get it tight. Last thing you want is this thing leaking once you get it all put together. So this little hole there, that's where your little plunger, the steel plunger goes in that I just showed you a couple seconds ago. And that's the way it works, just like that. Imagine this is inside your drain thing. And as you can see, it's got an O-ring there, keeps the water from coming out. So I've got to have it turned this direction and then down. And it's got to be perfect, otherwise I can't get it in. So I want to put it in straight down that way. So that's how you got to do it. So if you look down there, you'll see that little hole that comes through. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and push my little thing through here so you can see it. See there, that's it there. So this is, right, so now this should go right in there, no problem. So I'm going to push this here like this. And it's got those 2 little flanges on it. And if I push it in, it should go right in to, I think that's it. And we're in. Now, let's see if it pops up. Oh, okay, it looks like it worked. Okay, so anyway, this thing here has to go on such and like this. But this baby here kind of like goes in here, down in there like that. I got to see how high I want it. So I'm not sure where I want to put it, but I know that this is coming down too far here, right? So I got to bring this up. So I'm thinking what's wrong with that? That looks pretty good like that. And I'm just going to lop off the bottom part of this bad boy right about there. Whoops. Hang on, big fella. I think that's cool. Do we need any more than that? Let's just slide it on now. That's all. Bring this down, lock it in. That's it, girls and boys. All right, so what I did was, this part here slides up. What I did was basically I just bent this over it I cut the two things off. Now I'm good. I slide that down. It's nice and even. I gotta unlock it because it's gotta go back. So we need room for our hoses. See that hose right there? I gotta put a hose on that. So you gotta make sure you got room for that. But that's it basically. These two things here are snapped into there. It's got an O-ring on it. It's tight, hopefully. We'll find out when we first use it. Pull up or close it. That's down is open, up to close. And that's it. That's how you do it. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on stuff I've never done before.